How to add a new outliner in Blender. Welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. So now let's jump right into the video. If you want to add two outliners in Blender, let's say one on the left side and the other one on the right side, what you have to do, let's say I like to add a line outliner here. We have here one here and the other one I would like to add here. You should see here now this plus or cross, I don't know what it's called. Let me know in the comment section if you know what it's called, this icon or, but yeah, now just you see this icon, just grab it and drag it left side, and now you have a new viewport here. And now click on this editor type and here select outliner, and now we have a new outliner on the left side. You can also add an outliner on the bottom. We'll go in the corner and just grab it and drag it. Now go to editor type and here click on select outliner. Now we have another outliner here, and you can add as many as you want. You can add an outliner here as well. That's what I like about Blender. You can really customize the workspace, you know. And now if you want to remove one, just grab it here and now drag it on the other side. You can also do it like this. You can add more. You can also remove. Okay. Sorry. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much how you remove. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section, and subscribe for daily tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.